Okay, so assembling the Habata office chair. Got a base, got the seat support, 2 armrests, the bottom, the backrest. I'm guessing that's a little headrest up for the top. And I think the support column is in here along with the feet. So, all right, let's put it together. Looks like it's one of these no tools required deals that just comes with everything keyed the same. Okay, so step 1 is installing the casters in the base. And actually the base is nice. I don't know if you can see this, but pretty heavy duty metal with these reinforced ribs. Little supports on there. Looks like it's all put together real nice. Pretty hefty. Alright. Okay, so I'm just getting these started all the way around. I'm not going to snap all the way in and try to down as I can. We have to push around them from the top. Let's see. How to do. Take some force to get the casters in, but be careful. Don't smash on this thing because you'll mar the finish. And underneath, they're just plastic, so if you're going to hammer away at it, well, I just wouldn't hammer away at it. But they get in there, they fit pretty well. 2 is pull in the gas lift cylinder into the base of the chair. And seems to fit in there pretty nicely. So next is put the base together. So you've got this big heavy piece, and we need to get that lined up and put on there. You can see the front of the chair is this way, obviously the curved piece. So I'm sure that we're going to want the adjustable piece near the front of the chair. So these will be on the, what is that, the right-hand side. And yeah, we'll go ahead and tighten all that stuff down now. So it says use the A screws. Should be 4 of them. I've got 5. Color doesn't match, but that's okay. I think they're correct. So you can see lock washer, then flat washer, and this is good use of the box, so we'll go ahead and use the B screws now to connect the bottom to the back. So I used the pillow to increase the height so that I could just kind of easily come over here, get these screws started, and tighten down those 3. And it says put the seat cushion on the floor with the seat cushion downside up. But what it shows is us putting the base into the bottom. All right? That's what it looks like to me. All right. Alright, and then we'll turn it over all together here in a sec because I'm guessing it's got to snap in place or something. Now the armrests, settle gasket E and fasten with screw D. There are D and E right here, so let's take that out. The gasket, they're talking about this big washer here. Big gasket, whatever you want to call it. And then this arm fits in. You can see how it's got the channel there. And it fits in so it can be lifted up, down, and then it's got a knob here to extend and release, or a push button, I shouldn't say knob. So it actually kills me. I feel like I should put some slight lubrication on there since it's moving, but I don't know, we'll see. So let's put this in. It's going to be the pressure of this, right, that's holding in this piece here. So let me start that. As with anything too, these should go in really easy until you budge up against the lock washer. If you're experiencing, a ton of resistance to that, you've probably got it cross-threaded, which is not good, right? You should have very low pressure trying to get those things screwed in. All right, so snug it up there, get it tight, but you don't want it so tight that it, can't absolutely move. So don't crush those down because you're just tightening plastic, putting pressure on the plastic. But make sure you tighten them enough so that the lock washers engage. Number 7, putting on the decorative end caps. Should be a cinch. You can see there's 2 channels, one there, where these tabs are going to go into. And yep, they should fit in nice and flush. Look nice when you get them in. Looking good. Getting to the end, number 8, put the headrest in, a couple of the C-screws. We're all done with that, and it's going to go right in there, so let's do that. So this actually, the screws were a little bit longer, and it was, it's threaded a longer distance, so make sure you get it in there tight so that it's not real wobbly at the fulcrum here. You want it attached very solidly, and then this moves up and down. So last thing, I think, is going to be, let's put this dude on to cover up. Probably push on that a little bit more, but that's it. It's done. Good looking chair. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Do the adjustments work? Yep. Okay, so all in all, I really like the chair. I think it's made pretty well. It seems to be pretty comfortable. It's got the different adjustments. It's got the tension adjustment for the tilt tension, and it's got the up and down right there. And it's got the tilt arm that you can use in conjunction with the tilt adjustment. It's got an adjustable headrest that you can see. I can push down, pull up. It's got several notches where you can, what is about 6 different, levels where it'll catch. The adjustable armrests, you can move up and down and in and out. And yeah, overall it's a pretty decent chair for the money. I would definitely get another just based on how it feels, but it's hard to know how long it's going to last, right? Oh, and then finally it does have a pretty nice lumbar support that is not adjustable, but it still helps out quite a bit with your lower back.